2023 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.